AI model, DNN for Hospital Information Management System, HMIS. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect. This video illustrates a deep neural network, DNN, architecture for a hospital information management system, HIMS. It shows how artificial intelligence, AI, specifically deep learning, can be used to assess patient health risk levels based on various clinical and lifestyle inputs. Large blue diamond key components and explanation. 1 input layer, blue nodes, patient features. These nodes represent medical and lifestyle parameters for each patient. Previous hospital visits. Sleep hours/night. Exercise hours/week. Medical history score. BMI, body mass index. Cholesterol, mg/dl. Blood sugar, mg/dl. Chronic diseases. Smoking status. Diabetes, yes/no. Gender, M/F. Age, years. Oxygen level, %. Blood pressure, mmHg. Heart rate, BPM. Right arrow. These input variables are stored in a vector x equals x, x2, x5, capturing all health indicators. 2 hidden layers, green, yellow, pink nodes, feature abstraction. These are divided into 3 layers of abstraction. Hidden layer 1, green initial transformation of input features. Hidden layer 2, yellow intermediate feature learning. Hidden layer 3, pink high-level feature representation before decision making. Each connection has a weight matrix, W, and bias vector, B. Z1 equals W1x plus B1 Z_1 equals W_1 backslash dot x plus B_1 Z1 equals W1x plus B1. A1 equals F, Z1, A_1 equals F, Z_1, A1 equals F, Z1. Z2 equals W2A1 plus B2 Z_2 equals W_2 backslash dot A_1 plus B_2 Z2 equals W2A1 plus B2. A2 equals F, Z2, A_2 equals F, Z_2, A2 equals F, Z2. Final output, Y equals A3 equals F, W3A2, Y equals A_3 equals F, W_3 backslash dot A_2, Y equals A3 equals F, W3A2. Blue Book Mathematical Foundations. Probability, risk estimation. Calculus, gradient descent, optimization. Linear algebra, matrix operations, WX. Statistics, feature normalization, regression analysis. 3 output layer, red nodes, risk prediction. Low risk. Medium risk. High risk. Right arrow. The network classifies a patient into one of these risk categories based on input health indicators. Hospital application in hospital management. This model can be used by a hospital information management system, HIMS, to predict patient deterioration risks in real time. Prioritize care or admission decisions. Recommend lifestyle or medication changes. Generate predictive health analytics for management dashboards. Pushpin conclusion. The DNN provides a data-driven framework for transforming raw patient data into actionable medical insights. It bridges healthcare analytics with AI, enabling personalized treatment planning and improved hospital workflow efficiency. The deep neural network, DNN, model shown in the image can power several intelligent reports and graphs in a hospital information management system, HIMS. These reports are based on patient health data and DNN output, risk categorization. Here's a breakdown of what reports and visualizations you can generate. Receipt reports from the model. 1 Patient Risk Classification Report. Fields, patient ID, age, gender, diabetes, blood pressure, etc., risk category, low/med/high. Use, identifies patients at high risk needing immediate attention. 2 Feature Importance Report. Fields, input features, weight contribution/influence score. Use, helps doctors understand which features, example blood sugar or BMI, contributed most to risk prediction. 3 Health Indicator Summary Report. Fields: average, min, max of health metrics across patients. Use: snapshot of population health in a hospital. 4 Risk trend by department/unit. Fields: department, number of patients, risk category distribution. Use: resource planning for ICU, cardiology, general ward, etc. 5 Early warning report. Flags patients who have shifted from low/medium to higher risk over time. 6 Prediction accuracy report. Fields: actual vs predicted risk, confusion matrix, accuracy, precision, recall. Use: evaluate and improve model performance. Bar chart graphs and visualizations. 1 Risk distribution pie chart. Pie chart showing % of patients in each risk category. 2 Bar chart, risk versus age group. X-axis, age groups, example 0 to 20, 21-40, Y-axis, number of high/medium/low risk patients. 3 Feature correlation heat map. Shows how input features, BMI, BP, cholesterol, are correlated. 4 Patient risk over timeline chart. Tracks how a patient's risk score changes over days/weeks. 5 Box plot, risk score versus specific features. Helps visualize spread and outliers, example blood sugar in high-risk patients. 6 Confusion matrix heat map. Visual matrix shows model predictions vs actual results for each category. 7 Feature importance bar graph. Displays which feature the model relies on most, example heart rate, blood pressure. Pushpin bonus, executive dashboard. A hospital AI dashboard using this model could show: red circle real-time count of high-risk patients. Chart increasing health metric averages. Brain model accuracy and drift. Clipboard patient list sorted by risk. Thank you.